Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Coco Daisy. So I've gotten better at remembering to open the envelope because these envelopes are so hard to open. And again, I love her envelopes and I love her little stickers, so I am going to try to open it without ripping too much of it. I'm going to go ahead and rip this part of the envelope because I have found that's the way I use it a little better. Oh my goodness. And this is the mini Kawaii kit, I believe. I don't know. This is a subscription box that she has, and I get 2 of them every month. I get one that is a mini and one that is a regular size, and this is the mystery one. And it always has a special something. And oh goodness, I like this. Sorry, I'm booked. And if you're interested, you can check it out at Sweet Kawaii Design. And she has lots of really cute things. Look at this. So every time you get a little something, something, and this is a little notebook with a little coffee and note and books. Oh, I love it. And looks like it's very muted tones this month. It's very pretty. Ooh, I like that. So it has headers and boxes and some functionals, some checklists. Here we go. Oh my, tea and fuzzy socks. Life is better in pajamas. And then look at all the knitwear. Let's get cozy. All of this is knitwear. Oh my gosh, full boxes of knitwear. I am in heaven. This is wonderful. I have really been enjoying her kits lately. So this is the full-sized, and it's for a month, so it has all the stickers you might need. Oh my word, so stinking cute. Look at the coffees for the days of the week. Oh, look at the washi. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Books and knitting, and oh, that sounds so good right now. I could listen to an audiobook and knit. I gotta go. I'm teasing, but that does sound like nice. And I love these extras. So cute. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys check her out. Again, it's Sweet Kawaii, and this is the mystery subscription box. It comes monthly, and I've never been disappointed. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.